go there, Kuya. Si grandma. Yeah. Farther there is the lighthouse. We never been here like in 2 years. Yeah, it's about 2 years the last time we were here. Hi. Pakipot pa na eh. They're going now. Sarap din, presko dun eh. You see that? Sarap dun.
Ayo kaya ako din.
Opo, Nay. Let me help you. Let me help you stand. There is Kuya. Medyo malamig. Temperature is around 73. So some people can take that chill on the beach, but not everyone. Medyo malamig yan. Yeah. Look like they're going for a swim. Like that guy went for fishing and now taking home his catch. Ba't kasi paupuin mo siya sa wheelchair? Yeah, some people ride their bike to go to the lighthouse. It's like
We went there, somebody
must be like a mile away. A mile away.
they go fish.
And many people are fishing on that spot. Yeah, catching plenty of fish. Mostly perch. Yeah.
Gawin dito yung malalaki. Ito sa dulo, perch na nahuli nila. Ha? Perch? Yellow perch sabi nila. Tawagan nila.
Oh, one time nakita namin na yun. Dami nang huli ng mama. Yeah. Katulad ng dumaan kanina, puno yung lalagyan niya ng isda. Pero yung ganon, they must be here early in the morning. Otherwise, hindi, pag tanghali lang, hindi ka na makahuli siguro. Iniwanan ninyo yung wheelchair nyo na, ya? iniwanan na ninyo yung wheelchair ninyo. Ayun po. It's good eh. Ay, nakapag-exercise kayo. Those structures are for rent during peak season. So some of them are closed right now because it's starting to get colder as you know. Oh, may busina siya. Ah, para hindi sila magkasalubong. Yeah. Some people are here walking their dogs. Your views and kind comments inspire us to make more videos. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye for now.